People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we're gonna give you some short and spicy updates on Lionel Messi being in Jamaica. So please subscribe for the latest updates. Now let's get into the video.
See goat there. See dog there. See goat there. See man say see goat there, dog. See goat there. See buck goat there. Goat dog there.
Take a look at this clip. This is why the internet remains undefeated. Just listen for this.
Argentina con Leo Messi. Bueno, Leo, quedaste un poco,
Yeah,
un poco
man.
caliente
Go
por
suck your mother. Suck your mother.
Here we have some more scenes of Messi greeting fans upon his arrival. Take a look. People, it seems that the national stadium is in shambles. Take a look at these Jamaicans making their way into the stadium.
This is absolutely nuts.
You can see so the fans them really come out to support them baller. That is it.
This is absolutely nuts.
Here you can see the man of the moment taking his first steps on the field of the national stadium. Here you can see Messi warming up for the match ahead. People, that's it for this short and spicy update. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps us out a lot and it literally costs you nothing. With that being said, Bird Nation, stay sharp.